Okay, we're going to do a little sound comparison testing here. This is my fat tire bike with the Bafang Ultra motor, and in my view it's unacceptably loud compared to my BBSHD that I'll video shortly. Here we're going to do the same little run up the hill, and got a similar, or the same controller actually. We'll use the same one, 500C throttle, try to keep it about the same speed. And both of these, by the way, have been fully disassembled, or mostly fully, and done the standard grease packing with Mobil SHC, which seemed to do a lot for my SHD, but didn't help a lot, I guess, in my view, with the Ultra. So let's do our little run. So we're going to go up this hill and then go up onto the gravel road. Apologize for the cord. My GoPro battery took a dive, and so I'm having to use a power block. So let's get going here. I do mostly throttle here, but we'll do a little bit of the torque sensing in the motor too. But about 7 miles an hour. It's about 6 miles an hour. Just coast a little bit. And the motor again. Again, only going about 5-6 miles an hour. Seven miles an hour. Okay, now we're gonna do the same run, but with my other 26-inch fat tire bike, and this is the one that's got the BBSHD. This is one I got as a kit from Luna back in 2017, and it's still got the nylon gear in it, which may make a difference and why it's comparatively quieter. I thought about switching out the metal gear to the metal gear back when I got it, based on what some people were saying, but I decided to leave it in, and it has performed just fine. Been lucky, or not quite as hard on my bike as some, so I've left it there, and maybe that's making some of the difference. But this obviously has a traditional chain and derailleur drivetrain, so you definitely will hear some of the chain noise that you didn't hear with the Ultra bike that had the belt and the roll-off. Well, it had some of its own noise. So same controller, 500C and throttle, so I'm going to keep it about the same, between 5 and 7 miles per hour up the hill and then onto the gravel road, just as some noise comparison. So we'll get it going. Can obviously hear more drivetrain noise, about 6 miles an hour. But at least to my ear, much, much lower volume from the motor. Coasting now. Again, obviously some drivetrain noise. Again, at least for me, I really have to work to hear the motor. And obviously by the time you get up on the gravel road here, at least for this bike, that's overwhelming really anything other than some of the chain noise. So there you have it. At least to my ears, a pretty significant difference between those two motors. Again, both of these were unpacked and did the full greasing.